Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest smart home innovations and help you create a secure and connected living space. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best smart home security systems for 2023. With the advancements in technology, it's now easier than ever to protect your home and loved ones with a comprehensive smart security system. These cutting-edge systems offer a range of features, from HD video surveillance and motion detection to smart locks and remote monitoring. We'll take you through their performance, ease of installation, and integration with other smart devices, helping you choose the perfect security solution for your home. So, if you're ready to embrace the future of home security, stay tuned. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information. And as always, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our future reviews and recommendations. Let's dive into the world of smart home security. Starting at number 5, the Emstiff W4B Home Security Alarm System is a feature-rich and user-friendly solution designed to provide reliable home protection. With its wireless connectivity, touchscreen interface, and compatibility with popular smart home platforms, it offers convenience, versatility, and peace of mind. The system supports up to 100 wireless zones and 4 wired zones, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your home's security. It supports multiple alarm types, including SMS, PSTN, GPRS, and app control, keeping you informed of any security incidents. The wireless connection makes installation hassle-free, and the system is powered by a 5V1.8 power source. The 4.3-inch touchscreen display offers a user-friendly interface for easy configuration and monitoring of the security system. The system features anti-tamper technology to detect and deter any unauthorized interference. The Emstiff W4B is compatible with popular smart home platforms like Alexa, Tuya, and Google Assistant, allowing for seamless integration and voice control. The system also includes convenient features such as an SOS button for emergency situations and RFID tag control for easy arming and disarming. The Tuya Smart Life app enables remote control and monitoring of your home security, providing peace of mind even when you're away. Overall, the Emstiff W4B Home Security Alarm System offers a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for protecting your home. With its extensive wireless and wired zone coverage, touchscreen interface, and compatibility with popular smart home platforms, it is an excellent choice for those seeking an advanced and convenient home security system. At number 4, the KURIU W181 Home Alarm System is a versatile and reliable security solution that combines the convenience of wireless connectivity with advanced features for comprehensive home protection. With 99 zones available, the KURIU W181 allows you to secure various areas of your home effectively. It supports GPRS alarm types, ensuring reliable communication and prompt notifications in case of security breaches. The wireless connection eliminates the need for complex wiring during installation. The system operates on DC 5V power and features a built-in rechargeable battery for backup power. This ensures that your home remains protected even during power outages. The KURIU W181 is compatible with popular smart home platforms, including Alexa, Tuya, and Google Assistant, allowing for seamless integration and voice control. The system's display and password keyboard provides a user-friendly interface for arming, disarming, and configuring the alarm system. The Tuya Smart app offers convenient remote control and monitoring capabilities, enabling you to manage your home security from anywhere. The KURIU W181 also supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a wider user base. Its compact design and reliable performance make it suitable for various home setups. In summary, the KURIU W181 Home Alarm System offers a reliable and versatile security solution for your home. With its wireless connectivity, compatibility with popular smart home platforms, and user-friendly interface, it is an excellent choice for those seeking a comprehensive and accessible home security system. At number 3, the STANLEY H700 Home Security System is a high-performance and feature-rich security solution designed to provide comprehensive protection for your home. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, it offers convenience, reliability, and peace of mind. With 150 zones available, the STANLEY H700 ensures that every corner of your home is covered and protected. It supports multiple alarm types, including SMS, PSTN, GPRS, and app control, ensuring that you receive prompt notifications in case of any security events. The wireless connection makes installation hassle-free, and the system is powered by a DC 12V1, a power source. The 7-inch 1024x600 HD screen provides a clear and vibrant display, allowing for easy configuration and monitoring of the security system. The built-in 5,000 mAh lithium battery ensures uninterrupted operation even during power outages. The louder siren with a 120 decibels sound output acts as a deterrent to potential intruders. The STANLEY H700 supports STANLEY at Home UI version 2.1, offering a user-friendly and intuitive interface. It is also compatible with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for convenient voice control and integration into your smart home ecosystem. With features like anti-fingerprint technology, support for 10 languages, and OTA online upgrades, the STANLEY H700 excels in both usability and versatility. The system also allows you to set up to 5 alarm phone numbers, ensuring that you and your trusted contacts are promptly notified in case of emergencies. Overall, the STANLEY H700 Home Security System offers a comprehensive and advanced security solution for your home. Its high-definition display, robust battery, and compatibility with voice assistants make it a suitable choice for those seeking a sophisticated and user-friendly security system. At number 2, the GATTONE PG103 Home Alarm System is a reliable and feature-packed security system that ensures the safety of your home. With its user-friendly design and compatibility with the KURIU Smart Life app, it provides convenience and peace of mind. With 99 zones available, this alarm system allows you to secure different areas of your home effectively. It supports multiple alarm types, including SMS and app control, keeping you informed of any security breaches. The wireless connection ensures easy installation without the hassle of wiring. The GATTONE PG103 system is powered by DC-5V, and it features a 433 mHz wireless frequency for reliable communication. The kit includes door/window sensors for enhanced security. It is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling voice control and integration with your existing smart home ecosystem. The system's display and password keyboard provides a convenient interface for arming, disarming, and configuring the alarm system. With the KURIU Smart Life app, you can remotely control and monitor your home security from anywhere, giving you peace of mind even when you're away. In conclusion, the GATTONE PG103 Home Alarm System offers a reliable and user-friendly security solution for your home. With its extensive zone coverage, compatibility with popular smart home platforms, and convenient app control, it is an excellent choice for those seeking an advanced and accessible home security system. At number 1, the STANLEY H500 and 14G Smart Home Security System Kit is a comprehensive and advanced security solution that provides reliable protection for your home. With its extensive range of features and capabilities, it offers peace of mind and enhanced security. This security system comes with 200 zones, allowing you to cover every corner of your home. It supports multiple alarm types, including SMS, PSTN, GPRS, and app control, ensuring that you receive notifications through various channels. The wireless connection makes installation hassle-free, and the system is powered by a 100V to 240V power source. With the STANLEY H501, you can conveniently control and monitor your home security through the KURIU Smart Home platform. It is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and you can even integrate it with Amazon Alexa and Google Home for voice control. The kit includes essential accessories like door-window sensors, infrared detectors, motion detectors, a remote control, a wired siren, and a power adapter. The 3-inch full-color display with a touchscreen provides a user-friendly interface, allowing you to easily configure and operate the system. Overall, the STANLEY H500 and 14G Smart Home Security System Kit offers a robust and comprehensive security solution for your home. With its extensive features, compatibility with smart home platforms, and user-friendly interface, it is an ideal choice for those seeking advanced security and peace of mind. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations. We value your feedback, so if you have any questions or suggestions for future product reviews, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. If you're interested in purchasing the product we reviewed today, we've included a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. Sharing is caring. Stay connected with us on social media. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram for exclusive updates and more. Once again, thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, have a fantastic day.